Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and another episode of Out for the Trash. We found this Toro 21 guaranteed to start GTS 140cc mower. It's got gas in it, we checked that. The oil dipstick has no dipstick, yay! So we can't check the oil. Looks like there might be oil in it. It does smell like it's got gas. So G Junior's here with me. G Junior, why don't you go ahead and try, no, leave it there. Let's go ahead and try to pull it over, see what happens. Oh, look at that. The motor's popping a wheelie. Do it again. The frame's broken in 2 or 3 places. So hold on. Does it feel like it's gonna pull over or not?
Feels like the motor's gonna
Here, try it.
got compression.
I'll hold the motor down, see if it starts. All right, cut it off. All right, I do believe why this one was out for the trash is because the deck broke on him. It looks like possibly that the motor still runs good. We just need a deck. Unfortunately, we don't have any decks, do we? No. It also came with the bag and it came with the side chute. Hey, let's flip it up. Let's take a look at the blade. It looks like somebody had been using it, but man, that blade is tore up. And you can see right here where the things have come through. Hey, you know something? I have a welder at work. Let's just see something. Hey, it's a steel deck. We should be able to weld some washers on. All right, so maybe
somebody did put washers on.
Somebody did put washers on there.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we can weld some washers on there. All right, everybody. So there you go. Another out for the trash video. A Toro. We might fix the deck. We might not. I don't know. The blade's pretty beat. Sounds like the motor still runs. We might be able to use this motor on something else. But if I do decide to weld up the deck, I'll make a separate video. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the Out for the Trash videos.